How amazing. We are in Warsaw, Poland. Gymkhana Grid, the 10th edition is happening. What's even more exciting, he's coming live to Ignition Saturday evening, 7:30.
Because drifting's amazing and Gymkhana is amazing, so I love driving and this event is fantastic.
Probably people understood, the passion, so yeah, he's love it.
Drifting, it's a huge passion of mine.
Yeah, and a paddock full of some of the best drivers that we've ever had out for Grid. So it's really going to be a fun weekend. Stoked to bring Gymkhana Grid to different parts of the world, especially where motorsports is really strong.
Ken, thank you. Bigger, better, wilder in Warsaw. And the cool thing is too, South Africans have made it through. Eric and Carl, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive, and it's coming live to Ignition Saturday evening, 7:30. Don't miss it.